start.
This is the PC trainer. In this PC trainer we have a motherboard which has been exposed, in which all the parts can be visible, all the parts are marked, and everywhere you can measure the voltage and the current. Even you can create the fault, simulate the fault using the fault points provided. First of all, let us start with this. This is the SMPS connection, SMPS, which has been exposed to make the student understand what are the different parts of it. The next part, SMPS, as you can see, it is showing what type of connector. There are 20 pin, 2 SATA, 2 hard disk and 1 fan. Even the DC output are mentioned and the different current ranges for which it works. All these are mentioned in this. All the connectors are coming at these points. At these points you can measure the voltages, different voltages using a voltmeter, which is mentioned here. 3V3, -V, common, everything you can see. Then let's go to the main motherboard section. This motherboard section is exposed to make the student understand what are the different parts. The USB connector, HDMI connector, VGA connector, all connectors are marked here. The cooling fan is marked here, and you can see the internal working. Even the SATA drives and the connectors or slots are visible using a clear display sheet. The connections which are coming, which are supposed to come from the motherboard to the hard disk, are also shown here. Here 2 hard disks are connected, one SSD drive which is connected to slot 2, and the main motherboard drive which is connected here. The next part, the most critical part here, is that the USB connector. There are 4 connections in the USB pin: voltage, ground, and the data plus, data minus. All 4 are connected here. If we make the fault to down position, then the USB will stop working, which I will show you later. This is the connector for the mouse port. This is the connector for the VGA port, which goes to the CPU. This is for the LAN connector. This is for the mic audio in, and this is for the speaker. The reset and the power points are shown here, and the working of everything is mentioned here also, which is the power LED and the reset and mic. These are the USB port provided to work. For example, this is the Wi-Fi dongle for which we'll be able to use the internet, and this is the USB dongle. So this is the introduction video of the PC trainer complete. In the next video, I'll show you switch on the PC, and then I'll create faults, and then you will see how it works. Okay.